Hey guys, it's Tiana with today's B-Kind Craftisode. I'm going to show you how to make Koral's DIY reusable bags. These are the instructions that come with your doll in the package. So our first step is going to be to take these cords and make handles for our reusable bags. Try to tie your knot toward the end of the cord so that your handle has more room, just like that. And be sure to ask for help tying knots if you need it. Great, one side's done. Now for the other side. There, now I have my first bag with the handles tied. Now I'm going to make the next bag. There, now we have our second bag. Time to decorate. We've got these two flower stickers, super cute. I think I'm gonna put the white one on this blue bag here. And this beautiful purple and blue. Purple and blue are my favorite colors. What are your favorite colors? This says Save Our Ocean. I think I'll put it right here. Just with the super cute. Oh my goodness, it's a little jellyfish. And here's a whale. I'm gonna decorate the other side too. These fabric stickers are made from recycled fabrics. Super cute! Keep the sea plastic free with these reusable bags. Thanks, Koral, for our fun craft today. Remember, always choose to be kind.